Hello and welcome. I'm Isabella, and in this video I'd like to show you a new way of interacting with Microsoft Copilot, and that's through Copilot Vision. So in order to access it, you can get it best of all through Microsoft application. You can see if you have access to this once you open your application and you see the glasses. Currently it's available only in the US region, but if you have a VPN, change your location, you then should be able to access it as well. So let us try. You open it up and then use it to share your screen. So let us try maybe a simple.
I see.
Hi Copilot, I need your help. I am trying to explain all about Copilot Vision. So tell me, what do you know about Copilot Vision?
Copilot Vision offers a new way to work with AI right on your Windows PC, Mac, or mobile device. It can understand and analyze what it sees on your screen or camera feed, offering insights and answering questions. Copilot Vision doesn't store or use your data to train models, keeping your information private. You can
So by saying that, any screens or any documents that I share when interacting with you, what happens with those interactions?
Rest assured, Isabella, Copilot Vision doesn't store or use any data from your shared screens or documents to train models. No images, audio, or context are retained once the session ends, ensuring your privacy. Would you like to know more about any other features?
What are the examples of using Copilot Vision?
With Copilot Vision, you can use your camera to analyze real-world objects, get information on landmarks, or even translate text. It can also understand your screen content, helping you extract key points from documents or providing tips while browsing. Need more examples?
No, that's good. So let us try something else. I have Google Gemini, and I'd like your help on generating new image. And I have no idea where to click, what to do. Guide me through that.
I've highlighted the Create Image button for you. Click there to start creating a new image. Ready to give it a go?
Yeah, I've selected it. What do I do next?
I've highlighted the Describe Your Image text box. Type in a description of the image you want to create, and let's see the magic happen.
Okay, I am trying. Let's see what it will generate. What sorts of system or tool does Gemini use for image generation?
Gemini likely utilizes AI-powered generative models to create images based on your descriptions. These models interpret the text you input and then generate images that match your description, using complex algorithms and trained neural networks. These tools are often used for creative purposes, like generating unique artwork.
Okay, no, that's good. Thank you very much. So let us try maybe a different example. So I have my LinkedIn profile, and I'd like to see where do I access notifications.
I've highlighted the notifications icon for you. Click there to see your notifications. Ready to check them out?
Perfect. Now, where do I access jobs? So I'm looking for a new job and I'm trying to filter out what options are available. Where do I find it?
I've highlighted the Jobs tab for you. Click there to explore job opportunities and filter your search. Ready to find?
I don't see the highlight.
I've
Perfect.
highlighted
Perfect. I see it now. So in order to search for the job, what do I do next?
the Jobs tab for you. Click there to explore job opportunities and filter your search. Ready to dive in?
Okay, so I've selected some information. Let's say I have one job example opened up already. Help me to prep the cover letter for that job.
Sure, I can help with that. Start with a strong opening,
Give me the
mentioning,
actual specific example.
all right, looking at the job listing for AI manager with Euro-based people, you could start your cover letter by introducing yourself and explaining your in.
Give me the actual text. Write it for me.
All right, here's a draft for your cover letter. Dear hiring manager, I am writing to express my interest in the AI manager position at Euro-based people as advertised.
Okay,
With a strong
perfect. Thank you. Thank you very much. So let's just end the conversation there. So as you see, those were just a couple of examples you can utilize Copilot Vision for. Now, what I also like is any of your discussion with Copilot Vision is actually stored in your Copilot chat. So you can always go back and see the discussion, you can review and then carry on any sorts of additional updates, follow-ups, and so on. Now let's say you want to use it in any other applications, and we can do this maybe here. So here is an example. Hi Copilot, here is an example of my latest journal. First of all, tell me, what do you see?
I see you're working on a document titled Still Human, the brutally honest journal for recruiters by you. It's got a unique and creative approach, focusing on themes like resilience, humor, and the realities of being a recruiter.
Okay. So what I need you to do, I want you to be my content editor, review the document provided, and give me the feedback on what do you recommend changing, so I will tailor it for best printing and user experience so I can print it on Amazon.
First off, I'd suggest checking for consistent formatting, like font, size, and headings throughout the document. Make sure your humorous tone is consistent but not overdone. Balance is key to keep readers engaged.
Okay. Now I'd like to confirm if my font is correct throughout the document. What font have I selected?
You've chosen Courier New, size 12. It's a classic look, but it might be worth considering readability for print if you're targeting a wide audience. What's your take on the font choice?
What do you recommend? So it's a professional document that users will use. What font should I select?
For a professional and polished look, consider using a font like Calibri, Arial, or Helvetica. These fonts are clean, easy to read, and widely accepted for print materials. They also
Okay, now I would like to change the color for my text. I have no idea how to do that.
All right, let's change the text color in Word. First, highlight the text you want to change. Then, look for the font section in the Home tab, and you'll see an A.
I cannot see it. Can you show me where to find the option?
I've
So
highlighted.
now I see it. So I can just highlight it and make the changes. Perfect. Okay, thanks very much, Copilot. So as you can see, here was another example of using Copilot Vision directly in your documents. And it's about getting feedback on the documentation that you've created, or even knowing how to go around, what options to click, And if you're not sure where to go, it will point it out. This is pretty amazing, isn't it? Let me know if you had an opportunity to explore it. What do you recommend? What would you like to test it on? And good luck. Bye bye.